Oregon sex.
Heard you.
Excuse me, what did you say? Are you from Oregon? Damned Kiwis. Out the window of the sand flats. No water to be seen now. Mont Saint charm for €135 a night. But then, where can you find something better? Surprise, the biggest and nicest bathroom of the whole bloody trip. A tub, a shower. Voila! John, what's the name of this place? Mont Blanc, Mont Saint, Normandy, France.
Voilà.
Just outside our door. The last time John Chen was seen walking across the flats at Mont Saint. Where's the bloody ocean?
On a deux effets de gravitation et on a les grandes masses. En ce moment, on a la Lune, la Terre et le Soleil.
How much the tide has been coming in while we were doing the tour of the Abbey. It's a bloody village.
Vous arrêtez de courir, vous marchez normalement.
Il y a de cuite déjà.
Pretty sure the tide is coming in. As I stand here, I'm staring at specific marks in the sand. And in a minute or two's time, I'm watching them disappear beneath the tide. It sure would be fascinating to see what this is like at high tide. Sorry, we're stalking you.
I say it again, Oregon is a wonderful place.
Okay.
But New Zealand is better.
A day after a day, clambering up and down the stairs of Mont Saint, nothing is better. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Nothing hits the spot like a nice warm cup of tea. In case you don't think the avenues and lanes of Mont Saint are steep and there are lots of stairs, there seems to be a defibrillator every few blocks.
ça fait pareil, regarde.
Le ciel il est moche.
Oui, je sais pas pourquoi il fait ça. C'est un peu
Il est comme à la télé.
curieux, hein, tout pixelisé.